Hi everyone! Welcome back to oneeggtv. So today nga po is June 1 and Metro Manila is under GCQ. So some of us are working at home and yung iba naman is good thing nagstay lang sa bahay. That's why I decided to share this adobo recipe na tiyak magugustuhan nyo. Make sure na panoorin hanggang dulo for the complete ingredients and procedures. So ang unang step, kumuha ka ng bowl at paghaluin ang 200 ml pack ng toyo at suka. Pwede ding bawasan ng toyo or suka depending on your preferred taste, pero 1 pack of each is okay. Ihalo mo na rin ang chopped onions and garlic, paminta, laurel at seasoning and mix it well. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page, like and share this video. At huwag mo na rin kalimutang i-share ang iyong thoughts and suggestions in the comment section down below. The next step is to preheat the pan. Just make sure na medyo mahina lang ang apoy at ibuhos ang 1/2 cup ng red sugar at ihalo ang manok pagkatapos. Next is ihalo ang sauce and i-make sure na balance ang pagkakalagay ng manok. Takpan at pakuluan ng 15 to 20 minutes until lumabas na ang oil at maluto ang manok. So here it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kung nagustuhan mo, please like, share, and leave your comments and suggestions down below. And I'll see you guys next time.